10 links between quantum and psychology. In the last decade of the 19th century, physics became less atomistic with adaptation and recognition of the idea of fields of force. Power fields are the name given to the region or field that is passed through by power lines such as magnets or electric currents physics. The classic example of this new power in physics is magnetism. Magnetism is very difficult to define and understand in traditional Galilean Newtonian terms. The idea of force fields briefly states that the way a system works should be evaluated as whole and complete without dividing it into atoms and molecules. The effect of this change in physics on psychology has been through the work of Wolfgang Köhler, one of the founders of Gestalt psychology. Köhler worked with Max Planck, the father of quantum physics, one of the greatest physicists of the 20th century. Köhler introduced the laws of perception based on natural axioms of the human mind to psychology as a result of his studies with Planck. As you can see, laws of perception, one of the very few laws in psychology, emerge under influence of quantum physics. Köhler stated that the idea that there is a connection between wholes emphasized by Gestalt thought was influenced by quantum theory, and also stated that Gestalt psychology was a technique of physics to a kind of psychology. The universe of possibilities pointed out by quantum physics may be telling us that we are beings who can make choices in life and have free will. The quantum theory, which revolutionized physics at the beginning of the last century and brought a new way of thinking, affected psychology in this way. Both quantum physics and Gestalt thought emphasize that the whole should be evaluated without being separated into its parts, and the work of whole can only be understood in this way. The universe of possibilities pointed out by quantum physics may be telling us that we are beings who can make choices in life and have free will. Since our perceptions are the only channels that allow us to connect with life, the laws of perception that emerge with quantum physics can offer us a new perspective in shaping our lives. Most of the psychotherapy methods that are valid today emphasize making choices by changing the perspective.